Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Flipkart app or website and locating the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z order. This is where you start the return flow. You will tap Return next to the item and select the reason. Explain the defect or dissatisfaction precisely so the return category matches. Because return rules vary, make sure to confirm the last eligible date and whether accessories must be included. Once done, choose Pickup or Drop-Off. This first step triggers the return request and sets the pickup schedule. Now you prepare the package and finalize logistics. You should pack the bullets with original box and accessories, sealing it to prevent transit damage. This protects your refund eligibility. Next, schedule pickup in the Flipkart interface, verifying address and phone so the courier finds you. If pickup slots are limited, pick the earliest available. Also select your preferred refund method and confirm pickup. Flipkart will email or message the pickup token. Make sure to keep photos of the packed item for proof. You finish by handing the parcel to the assigned courier and obtaining a pickup receipt or token. This is your proof until the refund completes, so keep it safe. Once the item reaches Flipkart Center, they will inspect and process the refund or replacement, which typically appears in 3-7 days depending on your payment method. If the return is rejected, contact Flipkart support immediately and provide photos, the invoice, and order ID. This accelerates escalation and resolves discrepancies much faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.